very end of April, and I have lots of little herbs planted. But what this video is about is we got so much water last night, rain, and we had so many mushrooms popping up with these sunflowers. See that one right there? I just think they're so neat. And there's more over here. There's another one. All these little green things you see, those are all sunflowers. These are stargazer lilies. All these sunflowers everywhere. This is where I typically plant my tomatoes. But we spread bird feeders out in the wintertime around here, and the birds drop it all. Look at those beautiful sunflowers. Oh, and look. Does anybody know what that is right there? Cilantro. You grow it once, it'll be everywhere in your garden.